You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? So, what does Sigma mean in slang? Why are the kids saying Sigma? What's Sigma meaning on TikTok and the internet? Well, originally Sigma designates like a man, generally like an alpha male, a man that is considered a model of status success, a Sigma, all right? Now, in slang, it is often used as, what's a Sigma? What's a Sigma, all right? It's very much like, what's the heck? What the heck? What the Sigma? What the Sigma is an expression meaning, what's going on? It's shock, it's surprise, it's awe. What's Sigma? It's easy. That's the meaning. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.